Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to edit the intro section of your Facebook profile from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First, on your phone, open up the Facebook app, and to open it, let's tap it. And after that, now to edit your intro section of your profile, tap on your profile picture, which is at the top left corner of your screen, just below the home button or the home icon. And after that, you can see the edit public details available over here on the bottom of your screen. Tap there. Now you can change your profile picture over here. You can put a cover photo over here. If you tap on add over here, you can write something for your bio, like over here. Just tap on edit bio and you'll be able to edit your bio. And if you want to add more details like your current city, your workplace, you can tap over here. You can see the details and tap on add, or the options available over here. And after that, you can customize your work, your education, your current city, your hometown, your relationship status. I'll not be adding my work, but for the education I'll be adding a high school. You can add your college or a high school or your graduation degree. It's on you. For me, it will be at a high school. Let's go and let's type in the school's name. Okay, it's not available over here. My college is not available, but you search it like that. And if you want to show it on your profile to everybody, you can see the public option over here. And if you select the public, your high school status will be shown to everybody. If you tap on friends, your high school status will be shown to your friends only. And if you only tap on only me, your status will, high school status or the college name from you graduated, will only be available to you. Now after that, you can see you can add your current city over here. Let's add the current city like this, and you can search it. Mine's this one, and you can see the public option over here. I don't want to show it to everybody, so I'll be just showing to my friends. And after that, let's save it and let's close this. And after that, if you want to add a hometown, you can add a hometown. For me, it will be this one. It can be another one for you. Okay, my hometown's not over here. Let's search for it again. This is it. And I don't want to show it to public. I want to show it to my friends only. And let's save it. And now if you want to add a relationship status, it's on you. Tap on the add a relationship status option over here, and you can see the down arrow over here. Tap on the down arrow of the relationship status, and you can see all these options available over here. Now currently I'm single, so I'll be tapping on the single. If you're in a relationship, engaged, married or widowed, from over the top to the bottom of your choice will be it. For me, it will be the single. And you can see the public status again over here on the top right corner of your screen. I don't want to show it to the public, I just want to show it to my friends, so it will be my friends again. And let's save it. And there guys, we have successfully edited our public profile details. And let's go back, and you can see now, if you want to further edit your profile section, you can add your hobbies. You can see all these hobbies available over here. For me, she will be attending concerts. Okay, and this one I will be currently selecting 3 of these for the video's purpose. And if you want to choose your hobbies, all these options will be available to you. You can choose whatever you like. And after that, let's save it. And after that, you can see this is the featured photo of yours. If you want to put a featured photo on your profile picture or your profile on Facebook, tap on try it. And for me, it will be this picture again. Let's hit next, save it, and this will be my featured image on Facebook. You will want to put something nice over there on the featured image of your Facebook account. You can see the featured image over here. If I wanted to add something new, I'll tap it again, but not now. Now if you want to edit your info again, you can see the tap info, and you can edit all these again from here. And there guys, this is how you edit the intro section of your profile from your Facebook app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.